In this video, I'm going to show you how to get to the Hyatt House Shibuya Hotel from Shibuya Station. Now, if you've read anything about this hotel, you'll know it can be difficult to find, and the directions on the hotel's website are not very easy to follow. There is an easy way to get to the hotel, however, and it all boils down to which exit you use from the train station itself. If you make sure you go through the right gates as you exit Shibuya Station, the hotel is not that hard to find. So the trick is to exit the station at the new south gate. When you get off the train at Shibuya, look for signs for this exit. It's not all that easy to find, but you'll be glad you did. Once you go through the gates, you'll see signs like these, which point one way to Shibuya Stream and the other to Shibuya Sakura Stage. You want to go in the direction of Shibuya Sakura Stage, which should be on your right if you're coming out of the station gates. This footage I shot from outside of the gates. Now, once you do that, you're going to follow the corridor, which was under construction when I was there, and turn left and walk along the pathway above the train tracks to your left. Follow that to the end and you'll come into a courtyard, and the entrance to the hotel is located in the far corner of this courtyard. There's an elevator inside that will take you up to the lobby or down to ground level where you can get a car or taxi if you need one. I hope this makes the hotel a little easier to find. If you exit the train station through another gate, it can be much more complicated. If you want to get to the main part of Shibuya, you'll go back toward the train station and continue past the train station entrance to Shibuya Stream, which is down a set of escalators. I made a room tour of this hotel when I stayed here, which I will link in the description below. If you found this helpful, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to the channel and like the video. And thanks for watching.